In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make video black and white in CapCut PC. If you're aiming for a dramatic, timeless look or just want a clean grayscale style, this quick method will get you there instantly while keeping full control over the result. Start with your project open and your footage on the timeline. Look down at the timeline lanes and click the video clip you want to modify so it's clearly selected. You'll know it's active when it's highlighted, and this ensures the controls you change apply to that specific clip, not the whole project. If you're working with multiple clips, take a moment to select the right one before moving on. Now, shift your eyes to the top right area of the interface where the Properties window lives. Click on the Adjustment tab and make sure you're on the Basic Settings row just beneath it. Adjustment is where you fine-tune the image without permanently altering your original file, so everything you do here is non-destructive and easy to refine. Scroll down through the adjustment tools until you reach the color section. Here you'll find the saturation slider, which controls how intense the colors appear. To strip the color out completely, click and drag the saturation handle all the way to the left until it reaches the very bottom. The moment you do, all color values are removed, and your clip becomes a crisp, true black and white image. This is the simplest and most reliable path to a clean grayscale look because it affects every pixel evenly without introducing strange tints or filter artifacts. To make that black and white look really punchy and professional, move just above to the contrast slider and nudge it slightly to the right. A small increase deepens your shadows and brightens your highlights, adding clarity and shape to faces, objects, and backgrounds. Be gentle here. Subtlety keeps detail intact while ensuring your whites pop and your darks stay rich. You'll notice that titles and on-screen text remain sharp and legible, thanks to the added separation between light and dark areas. That's all it takes. Perfect manual grayscale balancing with one single slider override, plus a light contrast boost for polish. If you're editing more clips in the same project, repeat the exact selection and adjustment process on each one for a consistent look. Review your playback to confirm the tones feel balanced across scenes, and make minor tweaks if needed. You're all set.